Hi, I'm Nicole Hemrick, and I'm the founder and managing partner at Hemrick O'Malley. This week, on October 28th, USCIS will no longer be accepting checks and will only accept electronic payments. So today we're talking about practice tips for making electronic payments, including ACH transactions and the new form G1650. What is it? How do you use it? And what do you need to watch out for to avoid rejections? Let's start with the basics. All payments must be made from a U.S. bank and in U.S. dollars. USCIS will not accept any payments from foreign banks, not ACH, not credit cards, and not paper-based payments. ACH payments can come from either a personal or a business account. When filing, make sure to place the form G1650 right on top of your application, petition, or other immigration package. Like the credit card form G1450, the G1650 includes a space for the applicant, petitioner, or requester's name, but it doesn't include a field for the beneficiary's name or case type. So the association of the form depends on the name you enter and the physical filing it accompanies. Before filing, of course, you should make sure that your bank account has sufficient funds to cover the fees. If the transaction is declined, USCIS may reject the entire submission. USCIS may attempt ACH payments twice if the first one fails due to insufficient funds. But any other issue, like a blocked transaction or incorrect information, will result in immediate rejection. If your payment is unfunded, you won't get a receipt notice. And even if one is issued, it becomes void, meaning your filing loses its receipt date. If an application was approved but the payment later fails, USCIS may revoke, rescind, or cancel the approval, often through a notice of intent to revoke. Each filing requires its own G1650, even if you're using the same bank account. However, you can pay all fees for a single request together on one G1650. If you're filing multiple applications at once, each one needs its own separate form. If you're splitting a single fee between multiple bank accounts, use a separate G1650 for each portion and make sure the totals add up exactly to the correct fee. Mismatched or incomplete payments will get rejected. For premium processing, USCIS still recommends paying separately, just like with the form G1450. So, if you're filing a form I-907 for premium processing, use a separate G1650 for that premium processing fee. At this time, USCIS hasn't explicitly confirmed this rule for the new form, but that is the safest approach. And one more very important rule, you can only use one payment method per filing. You cannot combine ACH and credit card payments for the same petition or application. So it's either form G1650 for ACH or form 1450 for credit card, not both. USCIS has also said that when filing multiple applications together, you can only use one payment method across the entire packet. Don't mix ACH, credit card, or paper payments in the same mailing unless USCIS provides updated guidance. So here are some quick tips for completing the form G1650 correctly. Fill out every section accurately. Incomplete forms will be rejected. Use the petitioner or company name if the requester is a business. Enter the exact bank account information, including account type, routing number, and account number. Make sure the authorized payment amount matches the total fee. Use a wet signature whenever possible. Unclear or scanned signatures may cause delays or rejections. And remember, Form G1650 will be destroyed by USCIS whether your case is accepted or rejected. So, if you have to refile, you'll need to submit a new payment form. To summarize, use a U.S. bank account. Don't mix payment methods. Double check your information and balance in your account. Submit a separate G1650 for each filing. Getting these details right can save you 2 weeks or even months of delays. If you need help with this or any other immigration matter, give us a call at 833-848-7838 or check us out online at www.hemrick.law. And remember, stay hopeful.